Okay.
Okay, so today Wendy and I are going to cut down this eucalyptus tree. She's wanted it down for a long time. There's two of them growing here.
Yeah.
That one's been there for a long time. Both of them have. And so what I did, I've topped this one now, and I've roped it. I've put a slip knot noose around it, and I've got it around one of the big branches of this really big eucalyptus tree. So we're going to use this for leverage, and I've got it tied to the top. I'm going to cut it at the bottom with the chainsaw, swing the bottom over,
go down there,
and then Wendy's going to, well, I'm going to come up and help her. We're going to
Yeah.
have to lower this thing down.
Yeah, they weigh it. They weigh a ton.
It's going to be scary.
Dense wood.
It is heavy wood. So I'm going to cut it at the bottom, and
Cut it down there.
hopefully we can lower it right down beside the house without going through the living room window. That'd make a better video if it goes through the living room window.
Oh my goodness.
Anyway, folks, stay tuned. Keep watching.
And it's all sprouting out down there below,
Oh yeah,
which
no,
is
you
great.
can cut these things off. We got a lot of
We
eucalyptus
just-
trees.
yeah.
There's big ones around here. So
And we find it's a bit of a fire hazard because our chimney's right there.
Yeah, so we're gonna
we've
cut her
always
down.
had to keep it away from that.
yeah. All right. Thanks.
That's kind of like being down by the
It is.
by the apple tree. Hold it up tight. Bottom through. Whoa, hold it up. Okay. Whoops. Just broke a fatsia branch. That's no good. Two of them. Okay. It's gonna come down. Okay, hold it tight. Hold it. Okay. Okay, drop it down. Hold on.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, start lowering it.
Okay. You tell me when to stop.
Keep going.
Slowly.
Okay, I'm gonna pull back on. Keep holding it tight.
Okay.
Whoa.
Good. Okay.
Yeah, keep holding it. I'm gonna come with you maybe. Are you okay there?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
You want me to keep letting it go?
Hang on. This is how you do it, folks. This is how you cut down a eucalyptus tree that's close to your house. Right like that. So there's the living room windows. Wendy's got the rope on it. I got it levered up on that other eucalyptus tree, and it's coming down nicely.
I'm just letting it slowly.
Beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to get in there, folks. And here, hold it there.
Oh, okay.
Keep going. You got enough rope?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good.
Whoa.
It's okay. Keep going. Keep going. Make sure you got enough rope.
I do.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I'm just sort of slowing it down because I don't have knots here.
Yeah.
The knots help.
You're just about on the ground. You're like 9 feet away from the ground, the end of it. It's okay. I can come up there if you want. Don't let it drop. It'll break the deck. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Just hold it there. I'll grab the end of it in a minute. Okay, hang on. I'm underneath it. Hang on, hang on. Okay, let's... Whoa, whoa.
Okay, go for it. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. And down. And that's how you cut down a eucalyptus tree that's close to your house. There's Wendy up there on the rope, Miss T. I had to pull back these fascia trees and nothing was broken except me running into that over there with my rear end and breaking off 2 branches off the fascia, the leaves. But there you go. Pretty good, eh? So there's one big eucalyptus there, and thank God we had it there to actually use the rope for leverage. Otherwise, I don't know how we get this down beside the house. So now I'm going to take the chainsaw and I'm going to buck this up into firewood. Wendy can use that one there for new growth. We'll keep it small and new stuff will come out of it. Oh, yeah. All right? Thanks for watching, folks. Like and subscribe for more videos on Gulf Island Rock. Cheers and aloha from Salt Spring Island. Yeah. You can pull that rope up because I don't want to get caught in my chainsaw. Shit, that's really heavy wood. Folks, harvesting eucalyptus firewood from our garden on Salt Spring Island. This stuff burns really well, you just got to dry it out. Heavy wood. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more exotic plant videos, Salt Spring Island. And then Wendy will sell these bundles. Eucalyptus. Cheers.